Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to troubleshoot the LED lights in Hot Spring Spa. If your control panel shuts off when you press the light button, you may have a bad spa light. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver. Parts you may need: you may need some or all of these parts. Step 1. If your control panel shuts off when you press the light button, it means you probably have a bad light in one of the zones. Step 2. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 3. Unplug each zone one at a time to see which zone has a bad light. Step 4. Connect power to the spa. Step 5. Turn on the lights. If the control panel stays on, it means you have a bad light. Replace the bad light in the zone you unplugged. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.